Hello friends, good morning. Welcome back to an interesting video. So today I am very happy to see OCI Console AI. As you know, when you deal with production troubleshooting, you have to jump in between compute, VMs, securities, your networks, etc. Right? So you have to do these activities when you are working on an incident that is consuming the time. Another scenario like infrastructure tuning. So you want to inspect configuration by one. You have to check the balance, cost, performance, availability and security trade-off, right? You may not aware at that time which is the best practice that you can apply to the particular resource. Or think about another area where you jump between services to set up and configuration the right resources. Or you may be writing some configuration tools like Terraform. You have to validate policies, you have to optimize it. So these are all three different categories, starting from production troubleshooting, infrastructure tuning and build and scale. So suppose you may get an AI chatbot where you can able to interact and it will automatically do this work for you. So today I am introducing you OCI Console AI, an early access preview. So this is my OCI cloud account. So this is my login page. So this is my after login page, and here when I scroll down there is one option here, experience preview, right? So it says that explore new Oracle Cloud Console experience ahead of the general availability and provide early feedback. So if you are interested to see what it is, you have to click here, opt in to experience preview. So due to my interest in OCI, I have sent an email to product team and requested for opt-in my experience. So today I got the reply mail back saying that my tenancy got whitelisted for this preview access. So I need to enable the new OCI Console AI here. So once enabled, I can able to launch console. So on the right side you can see the preview mode of OCI AI Console. So now on the right side you can see the Console AI, and they have given me some examples. So let me hit this example first. So show me my running compute instances. So let's see the outcome. So a Console AI helps you to work in OCI using natural language. So right now I am asking a natural language question. Show me the running instance, right? Instead of moving across multiple OCI console pages to find the information, you can easily find informations to complete a task. So here let me go ahead with this and search, because I have different compartment, and it will help to complete the task. And basically it helps you to explore your environment, understand resources, troubleshoot and complete the supported operational workflow. So as you know, this is a preview mode, so it always has a limitation in preview mode. The main limitations are chat history is not available, okay, and there is no undo or rollback feature, and there is only basic guardrails are available, and there is no forecasting of cost in this preview mode. And this preview mode or this AI is focused only on a specific region based scope, right? So you can see the running instance details. So I have one running instance, HRMS is here, and the other related informations. So not only that, if you suppose you already have an infra, you have to replicate this infra to some other OCI tenancy. You can ask this AI to create a Terraform scripts. So create a Terraform script from this instance. So it will create a Terraform files for you. So a Console AI helps you to work in OCI using natural language instead of moving across multiple OCI console pages to find the information or to complete a task. You can use Console AI, right? So as you know, this is an early preview mode. There are few limitations. So some of the few limitations are chat history is not available, and there is no undo or rollback feature. Console AI does not provide any kind of forecasting or any kind of cost prediction, and basic moderation guardrails are available, and the experience is regional scope. So it discovered the details of my test instance, and it's ready to give the output. And here you can see it created the Terraform file, which you can copy paste and trigger to create a new setup. Not only that, if you feel like you have to optimize this one, or you have to improve more security, you can ask the Console AI to do that. It will perform the task. So basically it's a good feature, and it's a game changer in cloud industry, which means that if you are not a technical person, like a normal person can also, if have access, can able to query this chat AI and to see the data, and they can navigate, they can create an instance, they can create a bucket, they can create a network. So basically this is very useful feature for a normal people. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for our next videos.